Here we have the 2013 International 4300 DuraStar 26-foot box truck. All aluminum, dual hydraulic liftgate. Three rows of wood slats on all sides. Steel reinforced floor extended into the body to prevent scuffing onto the floor. Original flooring, no warping present, it's in good condition. Not bad for a 2013 truck in 2018 nowadays. You'll see the liftgate. All level ride. Forklift scuff on the sides. Right back down. You see, all level all the way down, and we get down here. DOT inspected. 3 passenger bench seat. As you can see, the truck turned off. Has a 5-minute idle timer for California emissions. Mileage is at 172,744. You got your parking brake right here. Automotive style HVAC control knobs. Aux port auxiliary for your radio right here. Cup holders. If interested to find about this truck, you may call me at 510-618-5540. My name is Humberto Rosas with Peterson Trucks.